la la la.
Hey y'all, it's Courtney Bree or Coco Bree, whichever you like to call me, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna jump right into this tutorial, but make sure you're subscribed here and follow me on all my socials. This was my first time ever doing a ball cap, and I found one that's latex free, y'all. It's Kryolon. It's amazing. So what I did first was like wet it down because it has some kind of like powder on it. I didn't know what it was giving, but this is where I effed up a little bit. But it's okay because ultimately we got the results we wanted, but I probably shouldn't have cut that last snip that y'all saw. I'm also using lash glue instead of spirit gum because again, I'm allergic to latex, so adhesives make me nervous. Okay, so next we're gonna block the brows. Wow, we did it in 1 second. Just kidding, I'm gonna do a full tutorial on how I block my brows. So next I'm drawing my outline. Oh, my camera died. But next I'm drawing the outlines for my face. I would usually draw the outlines for the whole body, but because I was doing this for TikTok and it was transitions, I kind of did this out of order. I'm using Mehron Paradise paints. The shade names are on the screen and will also be in the description. But really, I love Paradise paints because they're water activated. Oh, y'all are definitely gonna see me mess up like I did here. As I went along, I realized some of the lines were just like too narrow. I'm not a drawer. Is that the word? Drawer? So yeah, I had to widen the lines. Dance break, and now I'm drawing the body. Now this part was like the most fun for me because I was so excited to get to that silver arm, which y'all will see in a minute. Following a reference photo that I pulled from Google, they also have some really good Pinterest photos. See, look, mess up. That's why you keep some makeup wipes next to you and some Q-tips all the time. I mess up throughout this whole thing. Another major tip, yes, get a fan for a faster dry time, but another major tip for when you're using water activated paints is to try to get a thick layer on the first go, because if you try to go over it, of course it's water activated, but water also takes it off. So if you can get coverage the first stroke around, then you might get, you know, more coverage. I'm looking at you, my melanated friends. So yeah, now I'm just treating my body like a coloring book. I already have the outline, so now I'm just filling in the colors. So this piece is so intimidating, but you can do it. I promise you. If I can do it, then you can do it for sure. So at the top up here, I realized if I put gray paint underneath the metallic, it's gonna make the metallic pop more. So I just painted the brow, and now I'm re-outlining the top parts that I painted over. I'm using the NYX eyeliner to do the details. Like I said, y'all, I messed up a lot on this, but it was actually pretty easy to go over. I'm gonna go over my arm with a second coat. Again, it's better to get it on the first try, but if you don't, then just wait till it dries down. So next I'm gonna contour my nose with a deep purple and also use that same shade for my eyeshadow. I'm also using this light blue sparkly eyeshadow from the same palette for my highlight. What's a makeup look without a fierce cat eye, okay? We gotta wing it out. So I'm going over the metallic with this gray eyeshadow to give it a little bit of dimension. Outlining the sleeve shirt, y'all, I really think I'm an artiste. Oh my gosh, my favorite part was this arm. And you can't even really see it, but I'm just using the reference photo again. I'm deepening my waterline, and then I'm gonna go in with my black lip liner and line my lips. Now, I put the lipstick on top of the paint, which was a mistake because if you can see, it kind of looks gray. So I decided to wipe it off and make sure the paint is completely removed and then put the lipstick on top of that. We're in the home stretch, y'all. So now I'm just adding shadows and gonna add my lashes. Not gonna lie, I kind of shook myself with this one. I didn't know I could do it, but thank you for watching.